Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guarantee RV Supercenters today to show you beautiful ridge. This is called a Heritage Glen Hyperlight, and it's from Wildwood. And this is a 26 BHHL. It's a remarkable floor plan. It's a bunkhouse design with a lot of room, and I really want to show you the interior right now, so follow me. One of the first things you notice, you're seeing these more and more in the industry, this is called a solid step. And what it does, oh, I can't do it while the door is closed. What it does is great. It's very easy to pick up and put down, and there's no step box underneath to drag or get in the way of stuff. And it's got adjustable feet, so if I have unlevel ground, then I can adjust that so I still have a good solid step. This is just like going into the stairs in your house, very solid. Now the thing about bunkhouses, you've seen one, you've seen them all. They usually don't have very much storage because the beds take up all the room. And this is very unique in the floor plan. It's quite a bit different, and we're going to start right in the back here. First of all, this has the double bunk. So this is really big enough for 4 kids. Very easy for them to use. It's got this home built-in ladder. And then when we look over here, boom, the first thing we see, a really big pantry space. Lots of shelving. If you have a lot of people in your trailer, you're going to need more food, and this is what people want to have. Now another thing that's great is this right over here is a bathroom that has a step-in height shower. So if you're traveling with family and you got maybe some people that don't do as well going over the big high steps for a bathtub, like maybe some older folks, this is dynamite. The other thing that's great is this has a door right into the bathroom. So if you're camping with a family group, you can have people going to the bathroom in and out of this door instead of traipsing through the whole trailer. It makes it very nice. Now we go up here, we've got a family seating area. This is a horseshoe dinette. I love these things because first of all, they do make a nice seating area, but they also make a very large bed, and it's all storage. This whole thing all the way around is storage. You got room for stuff in this trailer. You can also take this table out and make this like a sectional seating area. So you don't just have this sofa, you have this whole area for people to sit in. Looking right here, you see we have a nice big fridge and freezer and stainless steel microwave and appliance finishes. This even has a glass door. You know, a lot of trailers today don't even have an oven, and this one's got an oven with a door so you can see what you're cooking in there. And then they nicely made this storage drawer big enough for pots and pans, and they finished it to make it look like it's part of the oven. It's pretty attractive. Now the other thing you see is really a nice galley. It's got a little sink dryer system here, but that's a big deep sink. It's got a single handle faucet. It's got beautiful cabinets with shelving in them and hidden hinges in the doors, and those are very attractive, and of course they're quite durable. And then we've got the nice cabinets with full pull-out drawers here, all solid lumber. Really, really nice. And this is a solid surface countertop here, so it's not going to delaminate and get T-molding that always wants to pop out and stuff like that. Now, I told you about that pantry. Here's another one. This is a big space you can use for a lot of different things. You can use the coat hangers, you can stack stuff in here, you can use it like a pantry or a coat closet. Do a lot with that. Now over here we've got another sofa, and the thing about this area I want you to notice is all the windows. We have very big sliding windows, lots of ventilation, lots of ways to get fresh air into this trailer. That's fantastic. Plus it's not as dark in here as a lot of trailers. We've got a skylight, we've got all these big windows, so you're not going to feel so, I don't know, some of them seem a little dark to me. Now, up here, we got a TV and a fireplace and a home theater system, all pointing the right direction so that you've got the people in the trailer getting to enjoy it. It's a lot bigger system than a lot of bunkhouses have room for. And of course, this electric fireplace is fantastic. You can heat the trailer with electricity and save your propane. Back here, you see a nice big bedroom. Oh, I want to go this way. Full-size queen walk-around bed. You've got nice hanging storage here. You've also got nightstands in the back here with electrical hookups and USB ports for your cell phones. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's yet another closet. This is a full hanging storage right here with shelves in it. So we've got an amazing amount of storage in this trailer. Most bunkhouses don't have that much storage. Okay, that's the interior. I hope you like this. I certainly do. Let's quickly look outside. Okay, so here's some high points on the exterior. First of all, this has a sort of a partial outside kitchen. We've got an extra refrigerator. This is a nice one to have when you're camping with family. You can put all the kids' beverages in here. Also, you've got a little wash down station, so if they come up and they're a little muddy or sandy, you can clean them off before they go in the trailer. And there's a wash basin here too. I think that's a really nice idea. Look over here, you got aluminum wheels, and I want you to notice they're a little bit farther apart. This is called a wide track axle system, and what it does is it lengthens your wheelbase under this trailer. It makes it ride smoother, and it helps you manage your hitch weight. People really like the way these tow. That's your bathroom there. Look in the back. We've got a tailgate storage system here. This folds down. You just pull these little pins, and that whole thing folds down, and I could put a couple of 100 pounds of cargo on it. I could put bikes, or I could put some coolers, or whatever I want, so I can expand my storage yet again on this trailer. If you look up here, you'll see there's a space to connect a camera. This is all pre-wired for a backup camera if you'd like to have one. This is under the bunk. I didn't bring my keys, but that is all storage under there too. And then we'll come up here. Okay, so on the front end of the trailer, I want you to notice this has a nice crowned front end. That's going to reduce the wind drag and make it tow a lot better. And surprisingly enough, this trailer's dry weight is only 6,600 pounds. There are some half-ton trucks that are capable of pulling this. And you want to be sure and check your own truck, but this is very light for its size. It's also got an enclosure on the front. This fiberglass cap doesn't weather and deform the way a lot of trailer front ends do just from weather exposure. It's got a power tongue jack. And that is about it. There's a lot more to show you in person. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. My name's Matt Elliott. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. Have a great day.